In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring tasks in Trello. It's easier than you think. Let's dive in and get started with making your workflow a bit more streamlined and hands-free. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Trello website. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type in Trello.com. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll either want to enter your account details, or if you're new to Trello, go ahead and sign up for a new account. The process is really straightforward, and once you're in, you'll have access to all your boards. Once you're logged into your Trello account, you'll need to select the board where you want to set up the recurring task. Just click on the board that you want to work with. Now, if you're familiar with Trello, you probably know about power-ups. These are essentially plugins that enhance the functionality of your boards. Head over to the power-ups option, which is typically located on the menu of your board interface. Click on this to start the process. You'll see an option to add power-ups. Click on Add Power-Ups to explore the various options available to you. For setting up recurring tasks, you'll need a specific power-up called Card Repeater. Use the search feature to locate it quickly. Type in Card Repeater, and once you find it, click on it. This action will help you integrate the power-up with your board, enabling the capability to duplicate tasks at intervals you choose. After activating the Card Repeater power-up, navigate back to your board. Here, you'll want to find the specific card that you need to set as recurring. Click on the card you've chosen. For demonstration purposes, imagine you're setting up a meeting reminder. Once you're in the card view, look to the right and find the Power-Ups button specific to this card. Click on it and then find the Repeat option. Now you're ready to choose how often you want this card to repeat. You have the flexibility to select whether you need the task to repeat daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your requirements. If you opted for a weekly or monthly schedule, you'd also need to choose the specific day or date when the card should be duplicated. Pick a time frame that aligns with your project needs. Once you've set your preferences, don't forget to save your changes. Click on Save. With that, you've successfully set up a recurring task in Trello. Your board will automatically duplicate the card at the intervals you've specified, allowing you to focus on what truly matters while Trello handles the repetitions for you. That's it. You've just learned how to manage recurring tasks effortlessly in Trello. Feel free to customize the intervals as needed and streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.